It all could be set to change this December. And I'm loving reading this article. I hope you will too. Make sure you guys smash the like button. You're going to like this and subscribe down below. So, the Federal Reserve pivot could be coming in December. And here's proof. We're going to jump into it in this video. Of course, the 75 basis point rate hikes can only continue so long. Well, why might December be a little bit different? Let's jump in and find out what's going on here. All right, so let me take you inside this article. The Federal Reserve pivot is coming in December. Here's proof. So it says up front, all right, before we get into why it will change in December, they won't pivot until the labor market shows signs of cracking. But once the job market appears to be rolling over, everything will change. As income growth fades, high inflation will be less likely to feed a wage price spiral and more likely to cause consumers to retrench. Now, again, the Federal Reserve's barrage of 75 basis point rate hikes can only continue so long, right? It's politically acceptable for the Fed to cool an overheated job market, but jumbo rate hikes won't fly when the market has already lost steam. So, this is the important paragraph that I want to focus on right here in this video, okay? Federal Reserve will pivot after October jobs report. So a fourth straight 75 basis point rate hike looks almost certain. Of course, that's right around the corner, November 2nd. But everybody that knows a little something about this is giving it like a 90 to 99% chance of it actually happening. Now, there are no more big reports between now and then, but odds of a fifth straight supersize rate hike on December 14th, now only about 65%, according to CME's group FedWatch page. But many people think it's less than this. That's because we're almost guaranteed to get a weak October jobs report when we get that data on November the 4th. Now, a look under the hood of this year's jobs data reveals why. Through the first 9 months of the year, seasonal adjustments has boosted private payrolls by 851,000. That's a 500,000 extra jobs compared to the average impact of seasonal adjustment through September from 2013 all the way to 2021. So we could be getting the pivot that we need to see in order for crypto and the stock markets to finally get out of this rut. Even if it wasn't a big boost up, right? I'm not saying we're just going to go to the moon this December, but if we get any good news right now, any good news when it comes to the Fed, when it comes to inflation, we could certainly rally a little bit. I mean, prices have been depreciated for so long. It feels like anybody who wanted to sell is done selling. We've been trending in this $18,000 to $20,000 range for Bitcoin for a long time. The low, of course, we saw it back in June, is 17.7 for Bitcoin. It feels like we're just hanging out right above those price points and just not moving a lot, right? We've really been trapped in this $19,000 to $20,000 Bitcoin window for forever, it seems like, right? It's just kind of been pretty boring. But this could all change come after the job report on November 4th. Could December finally be what we need to pivot just a little bit? And really, it's the Feds pivoting away from these mega rate hikes. So odds of a fifth straight supersize hike are getting dimmer and dimmer by the day as we look at the expectations that are going to come from the October job report. Let me know what you think about all this down below. As always, I'll keep tabs on this for you, bring you up to speed on anything that affects our macro environment in the crypto space. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. It's so damn easy. Just tap it and come back and join us for some more videos like this. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.